When we thought voices in K-pop MVs were just sound effects, bruh, this part in Jennie's Zen that gives you goosebumps is actually her own voice. Bro, I love this part the most, and it was winter. I thought it was some kind of voice effect.
있어야 돼요.
That little addictive Bae 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 and Magnetic is actually Yuna.
너무 세다.